Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in 1xbet Nagad. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. All you have to do is go into your menu, then go to the option deposit. Once in this option, you're going to see different varieties of method of payments. You will see e-wallets, you're going to see mobile payments, you're going to see bank payments. You're going to choose any adequate method which is good for you. So once that is done, you're going to fill in the fields and make the deposit from Nagad. That was all for